Hey everyone! Welcome back to Elegancepreneur channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and lucrative opportunity: how to start your own security business in 2025. Whether you're a former law enforcement professional, a security enthusiast, or just someone looking to break into the booming security industry, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to launch your own security company. Let's get started. First things first. Research and planning are the foundation of any successful business. Start by understanding the security industry in your area. What services are in demand? Is it residential security, corporate security, event security, or maybe even cybersecurity? Also, research your competition. What are they offering and how can you differentiate yourself? Once you've done your homework, create a solid business plan. This should include your target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. Trust me, a well-thought-out plan will save you a ton of headaches down the road. Step 2. Legal requirements. Every business needs to be legit, and a security business is no exception. Here's what you need to do. Register your business. Choose a business name, register it, and decide on a legal structure: LLC, corporation, or sole proprietorship. Licensing. Most states require security companies to have a license. Check your local regulations to see what's needed. This might include background checks, training certifications, or even a surety bond. Insurance. Get liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance to protect your business and employees. Pro tip: consult with a lawyer or business advisor to make sure you're covering all your bases. Step 3. Invest in equipment and technology. The right tools are essential for running a successful security business. Here's what you'll likely need. Uniforms and badges. Professionalism is key in this industry. Communication devices, radios or earpieces for your team. Surveillance equipment, cameras, alarms, and monitoring systems if you're offering tech-based services. Vehicles, if you're doing mobile patrols, marked security vehicles can add credibility. Don't forget to budget for these expenses in your startup costs. Step 4. Hire and train your team. Your employees are the face of your business, so hiring the right people is crucial. Look for individuals with experience in security, law enforcement, or the military. Once you've hired your team, invest in their training. Make sure they're certified in areas like first aid, CPR, and conflict resolution. The better trained your team is, the more trust you'll build with your clients. Step 5. Market your business. Now that you're all set up, it's time to attract clients. Start by building a professional website and creating social media profiles. Showcase your services, client testimonials, and your team's expertise. Networking is also huge in this industry. Reach out to local businesses, property managers, and event planners. Offer discounts or free consultations to get your foot in the door. And don't forget online advertising. Google Ads and Facebook ads can be great ways to reach your target audience. Step 6. Scale and expand. Once your business is up and running, focus on delivering exceptional service to your clients. Happy customers will refer you to others, and word of mouth is one of the best marketing tools out there. As you grow, consider expanding your services. Maybe add cybersecurity, drone surveillance, or even security consulting. The sky's the limit. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your own security business in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more business tips and strategies. Got questions or want to share your own security business journey? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.